Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how to make a smothered pork chop recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have some steak seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, seasoning salt, butter, thyme, onion, mushroom. Over here I have some boneless pork chops. They're not so thick, about an inch thick, and some flour. You're also going to need some oil. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, not too much, to my pork chop. Sprinkle my all-purpose seasoning. This is a tablespoon of all-purpose. Massage it in, mix it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some steak seasoning. This is a teaspoon of steak seasoning. Repeat the same steps. Mix it in. Add our black pepper. Sprinkle it all over. My seasoning salt. This is 1 teaspoon as well. Stir it up. Alright guys, so the next step is to add the pork chop to the flour. And we're not deep frying this, guys. You know, we're just going to give it a nice little light sear. We're just trying to get a color. And the leftover flour, we're going to use that to thicken our sauce. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some olive oil to the pan and start searing off my pork chops. Then I'll stir fry, caramelize my mushroom, onion, and thyme, and then the sauce will start to build up. All right, stay tuned. And once the oil is nice and hot, then we'll put our pork chop in. And we're just gonna let it fry for like at least a minute on medium to high heat. Then we'll flip it over and repeat the same steps. Time to flip it over. And I'm just gonna cook this for 1 minute on the final side, the reverse side, and then I'm going to take it out of the pan, add my veggies, and make the sauce. Time to add my butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. Add my mushrooms. Onion, thyme, then you just want to stir it up a little. Now once our veggies become caramelized, then we'll add the flour, add our remaining flour, Kind of mix it in a little. Once the sauce is thickened, go ahead and add the pork chops back in. And we're just gonna let these cook for at least 8 minutes. 4 minutes on each side, flip it over. Alright guys, so finally I'm just gonna add some beef stock. And that's gonna add some extra darkness to the gravy. Like I said, you just need to cook it for 4 minutes on each side, and then everything should be good. I'm just gonna let this simmer for 1 more minute. The gravy is looking nice and thick. Perfect golden brown color I was looking for. Look at the thickness of the gravy, guys. It's looking good. And I'm just gonna enjoy my pork chops with some mashed potatoes tonight. Look at a nice piece of pork chops, guys. Oh yes.